Hey guys, welcome and welcome back. As you can tell by the title of this video, actually I don't know what I'll title it, but this video is about how I attempted to do this trendy crisscross style on my natural 4C hair that I tried to stretch out heedlessly. So after I washed my hair, I left it in some chunky braids to stretch out for like 2 days, leading to this. So on this day, I just loosened the front part, which was the part that I wanted to do the crisscross, and this was how it went. So I have just one question for all the natural hair bloggers or YouTubers who manage with this hair, with my type of hair texture, who still manage to have sleek styles. I need to know, how do you all do it? Because this girl be trying right here and be struggling real hard. Anyways, Mio, I've given up on this one. So let us jump onto the actual style that we were able to complete. Let me know in the comment section if you've tried to do a hairstyle or anything that you've seen on YouTube and you actually absolutely failed at it. Let me know. So I decided to turn this style to like something like a Fulani Braids type of style. Yes, initially I wanted to do crisscross in the front and crochet some curly hair to the back to the rest of my head. So what I did was do some curly crochet hairstyle on the back side and a Fulani braids, like 4 large Fulani braids in front. So remember I told you guys I left my hair to air dry and stretch out in chunky braids. Yes, I maintained these braids at the back because you guys, I was already stressed out from my initial attempts to do the initial style, that at this point I just couldn't be bothered with loosening the back of section and giving it a proper cornrow braid pattern for the crocheting part. So what I did was I just braided all the chunky braids together, and then I'd the ends by using a crochet hook to pull it through my braids and just tuck everything in. And that's what you saw right there. And guys, this was how I just went ahead and crocheted the curly hair. Guys, don't judge me. Don't judge me. So for this part, you can actually wing it like I did, or if you want to keep the hairstyle for much longer, I was only going to have this hair in for 1 week. So if you want to have it in for longer, you should totally braid your hair to the back, like do proper cornrows at the back for this part. Also, I want to add that the hair that I left out in the front section initially was quite much for the crisscross. So now, given that I just did 4 Fulani type braids in front, I had some hair left. So what I did was just braid them across. I just braided them from middle to the left and from the middle to the right. Like I divided the hair into 2 and braided them apart from center to either side of my ear. And yeah, so I joined the ends to the chunky braids and just tuck them in together. So I'm so sorry that I did not show that part. I completely forgot to include that part in this video, so pardon me. So to crochet, I'm just passing the hair through, pulling it and knotting it twice for extra security, and that's all. So now I'm on to crocheting the hair to correlate to like the parts that I was just telling you guys about, the extra part of the front section that I just braided to either side. And what I did was, at this point I started to do the invisible knot method, which I'm trying to show you in slow motion. What this is going to do is just to allow your hair to be able to fall on either side, so the hair can just be moved to either side, and just to properly conceal the braids, as well as making the crochet look as seamless and less crochet as possible. So this is actually important for like the front part, because this is the part that is going to be seen as the, so you just want it to look as natural as possible. I don't know if you understand. So I'm done installing the crochet hair, and I'm just now pulling out the flyaways. This is as a result of the fact that I cut the actual crochet hair, as you see me show you I showed you the actual length of this crochet area in the beginning, so I divided it into two because I did not want the area to be long. So yeah, your girl is all dolled up and my hair is accessorized. You guys, I loved how it turned out. I loved how it turned out, you guys. Let me know what you think in the comment section. I would love to hear from you. So that's it, guys. I guess all is well that ends well, you guys. I can't believe we started from there and ended here, and I actually love this. I love this style. I love how it turned out, and I'm glad that I did not give up. You guys, this style is gorgeous. It's giving me kind of Fulani type braids, or Fulani kind of style, Fulani braid style. What do you think? What do you guys think about this look? Will you be trying this out? If you will, can let me know. Follow me on Instagram so you can share your pictures with me, and yeah, let's interact. And yeah, so that's it, guys. Thank you so much for sticking around till this very point in this video. If you did watch till this very point, thank you so much. Give me a huge thumbs up and drop a heart emoji so I know that you love this style. Just drop something in the comment section. All right, until I catch you on my very next video, stay safe and stay blessed. Bye. Hi guys, check out these amazing videos that I've handpicked specially for you.